Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a description to your YouTube channel. So you can add a description or change one. So go to youtube.com, or you can also do it on your YouTube application on your mobile device as well. The steps are simple, easy, and the same. So go ahead and click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner, select view your channel option, then select customize channel option. This will take you to the new tab of studio.youtube.com. From here, you need to go to the customization section, which is between on and audio library. Then after scroll down, and there you'll see the section of description. Go ahead and enter the description that you'd like. And in this page, you can also go ahead and upload or change your profile picture, your banner image, your handle, your name, also add your pronouns, or copy your channel URL as well. You can also add links to your YouTube channel and enter your contact info as well, or upload your video watermark. Once you're done, click on publish in the top right corner of the screen, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. And now if you go to your channel option, you'll see the description right here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.